supplier or job worker also are able to see their own transaction, and also like supplier is able to see in the system that I have shipped out of total quantity order which I have received from Hindalco. This is the quantity I have shipped on so and so date on partial shipment I have done, and balance is this much quantity. For him also, for calculating or for planning his own production, data is available in the system at a click at any given point of time. He does not have to, because most of our job workers or suppliers are very having a small scale of operation. So they don't have any system, ERP system to track all this. So they are usually dependent on register or manual record. So whereas this solution, whenever he is shipping, he is putting that data into the system against Hindalco's line order, work order. So now, so he can blindly believe that this is the balance quantity, because whatever is system showing, that he can believe on that. So in that way, planning effectiveness has increased at suppliers.
Even for the supplier, not just for Hindalco. Right?
Yeah,
so it's benefiting everybody in the ecosystem.
Right. And job